And the winner is the Dutch Colonial Revival. So this house is on the market only one day. I put in a cash offer. I got an inspection and I got this house for $95,000. And this is where I will begin my mortgage-free journey. And I will be taking you with me along the way as I fix up every room. So let's take a tour. This is the living room area. So we have windows right here. And this is like a little alcove. And I have this big, huge, massive radiator right here. And it takes up a lot of space. I'm gonna look into having that removed because I wanna put my piano right here. I think it'd be great right here. And this is just in the way. So this has gotta go. The house had, it's over 100-year-old house, had a boiler and, radiators is where the heat came out of. And now this house has central air and a furnace. So I do not need this. This has to go. So I have to figure that out, learning new things all the time, but this is an area in the living room. And then I have a fireplace right here, and currently a fireplace does not work. It is what do you call it? It is a wood burning fireplace, and I have to do some chimney work, but for now it's going to be just decorative and we're going to decorate around it. I have kind of little short alcoves right here. This is about 1 foot in. So I'm gonna do maybe some bookshelves, some curtains, some blinds, I don't know, something over here. What I love about colonial homes is the symmetry. So this is very symmetrical wall right here. So we'll come up with something cute. This is a doorway here. It leads into the dining room area. They have these wall sconces, which are cute. I think I might keep these. We'll see. So this is really cute. Another radiator. This has got to go. I need a place to put, my table, which there's plenty of room in the dining area, so my table will fit here nicely. Maybe the previous people watch TV in here. I'm taking that out, so I'll be doing that here. And this is a doorway that leads into the kitchen. And then we have a blank wall here, blank wall there. And then we have windows that go all the way across the wall here. So a really cute dining area. This is gonna be nice. And you can see how it just kind of flows right into the living room. That's the entryway there. So I'm gonna be working on these rooms and we'll do a room at a time and we'll break down everything we're gonna do to the rooms, but I just wanted to show you these, which is really cute. So that is the living room and dining room. And then we also have the kitchen. We've already picked out kitchen cabinets. They're sitting here, but this is currently how the kitchen looks. We have dark brown wood cabinets that have reached their expiration date in my opinion. We have laminate countertops. We have a range stove and a range hood here. I'm going to be replacing the stove. I want a gas stove. This one's electric and I don't know how well it works. Haven't tried it and won't be trying it. And then we have around the other area here, we have cabinets here in the kitchen. These are uppers, these are lowers. And I want to put the sink under the window. I think that'll be a much better place to, to wash dishes. And of course, we'll put some kind of shade here. This is where the refrigerator goes. Looks like previously they bought a refrigerator, right? And didn't fit. They didn't measure it, so it didn't fit. So they just stuck it over here, which is in front of a really nice window. And anyway, we're going to work this out. I'm probably going to buy a new refrigerator anyway. And we're going to completely gut this kitchen at some point very soon and get the right things in here. So this is an eat-in kitchen. There's another area here in the kitchen. We have windows here, another annoying radiator right here in the way, but we're gonna do some shelving on this wall to like really store dishes and things like that. Another countertop right here. And let's see, over here is like a little shallow pantry. I can get it open. I can't get it open. Okay. So like a little shallow pantry right here. We'll be doing something with that. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to be, using it, like this. So we'll do something interesting and we'll move the refrigerator from the window. It's a really cute window here. It's being blocked by the fridge. So I need to get that out the way and really show how that looks. And then also from the kitchen, there is a door that leads to the backyard. I want to do some cute landscaping in the back where we can, dine al fresco and eat outside. This is the yard right now, so it does need some work. I have a detached garage, just a garage there, and then the yard will need some landscaping, which I will be happy to do. So that's pretty much the the downstairs area, and then let's take you upstairs. Okay, so upstairs we go. I love this upstairs. This is gonna be so nice once I get this looking, really good. I love the neo post here, really cool. And I love the stairway, so I will be putting cleaning up the stairway, putting carpet on here. What I love about the Dutch colonials is that traditional carpet they put on the steps. So it's gonna be carpet going up here after we get these steps all together. But so there's more neo post here, which I really like. How cute. It's going up another. So we have a landing here, more little area of steps up here, and up here we have 3 bedrooms, and then there is a bathroom. So it's 1 bedroom here, and I am going to be doing carpet on the floor, paint, and put curtains and everything up. And there is a closet, so it's like a slanty kind of closet, so I gotta come up with something good. This is not going to fit. It's not gonna work for me the way it is right now, so I gotta come up with some cool project for the closet. If you guys have any ideas, let me know, because this is gonna be quite an interesting task. It's like slanted. If you can see, it has a slanted ceiling, so you can see better here. So kind of putting a closet in here. It's gonna be interesting putting my clothes in here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta be very creative. It's a nice space. It's pretty big. It's just has a slanted ceiling. So anyway, we're gonna figure that out. Let's show you some other rooms. So this is another room here. And it's super cute. It has a door that leads to a little balcony. This is like so French to me. I'm gonna do like some railing across here in wrought iron. But really cute bedroom. There's 1 window and another annoying radiator and a tiny little closet right here. But I love my doors. Look at my hand. Look at the doorknobs. So cute, crystal doorknobs. And then we have a tiny little closet here. And I will need, I guess, a closet pole. It has some interesting poles here, but anyway, I will need a closet pole for in here. And let's go to the 3rd room. So this is the 3rd bedroom. This is a bigger, 2 windows in here, and another radiator. The flooring, we're gonna put carpet in here as well. So all 3 bedrooms are gonna have carpet. We just need to clean the floors and put carpet in. Then another closet in the tiny closet here. So this needs paint and a new closet pole, some refresher. But so that's pretty much it, guys. Oh, bathroom. There's 1 bathroom. I'm going to show you the hallway. This is the hallway. That cute linen closet right here. I like how that looks. It has drawers down there and then a door. And you have, let's see how big it is. Let's see how much space I got. Okay, it's pretty good space in there. Okay, so this is the linen closet. And then this is the bathroom. So 1 tiny little bath. But guys, I have so many cool ideas for this bathroom. It's gonna be super cute. So there is a shower or tub and shower right here. And then we have a tiny little 2 vanity, mirror, and toilet on this side. You've seen the toilet before, you know what that looks like. But I love it has crown molding in here. So cute crown molding. And then there's some, I don't know, mirror medicine cabinet thing going on here. And then the flooring, we're gonna change that out. It does have tile, so we'll probably keep the tile, just clean it up and do any repairs. I'm gonna change this out. Probably keep the tub. I do wanna do some tile across the, across the wall. And I'm gonna change out the toilet and another look how close this radiator is to the toilet. Like if this really worked, wouldn't you burn your leg or something? Anyway, so that has got to go. These radiators are annoying. And then so this is behind the toilet. And we have a window in the bathroom. So, and there's a ceiling fan in here, which has got to go. I don't know why we have a ceiling fan in such a little tiny bath, but we're gonna get rid of that. But yes, that's pretty much the house, guys. So stay tuned and see how I am going to decorate this house and how we're going to change things around and really get a look really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be doing posts about this project that I have going on. It might be a 5-minute video, it might be 10 minutes. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing and hit that subscribe button, guys. And like this video, share with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.